Today, young men are struggling to live their lives. There's an overwhelming amount of suffering from self-doubt, depression, and anxiety. Even suicide among young men has become more common than ever. We're starting to see young men who have no friends at all and no idea how to get any. And it's even worse when it comes to dating. We're scared to even approach women anymore. We're told that flirting with women is creepy, and to ask them out is violating. We're told that our masculinity is toxic, and that we need to make ourselves meek and humble and unimposing. We have lost that excitement for life we had when we were young, and we've ended up with no ambition or motivation. Most of us don't have jobs, and if we do, we don't like it. We're struggling to care about anything at all. We've become apathetic toward our own lives. My partner and I know this because we've lived it. We've been through self-doubt. We've been through depression and loneliness. We wanted to know, how can we live a happy life? And no one around us seemed to have an answer. We felt stuck. So it was up to us to figure out how to overcome it all. We discovered that the cause of all these problems is our culture's attack on what we call core confidence. Core confidence isn't just your confidence to ask a girl out or have the confidence to apply for that job, though that's part of it. It's something much deeper. It's the conviction that you're capable and worthy of living, and that you have nothing to apologize for being a man. Core confidence is your fundamental confidence in yourself, and our culture is destroying that within us. No matter where you turn today, you're bombarded with messages that tell you you can't be certain of anything, that there's something wrong with you if you care too much, that men are toxic, that nothing is under your control, and that ultimately, your life has no meaning, and it's killing your motivation to live. I want to help you get that motivation back. That's why my partner and I created Core Confidence for Men, an online course designed to bring you back to life and end the suffering our culture has created within you. By the end of the program, you'll have gained control, the ability to direct the course of your life. Conviction, the conviction in your ability to think and to understand. And most importantly, caring. That part of you that's passionate about the things you love in life and about your life itself. A huge part of the course is showing the connection between our core confidence and our identity as men. You'll gain a new fundamental understanding of who you are as a man and what it means to be one. The course isn't just some tips on how to become an entrepreneur or how to get ripped, but a comprehensive guide to get you started building a happy and healthy life. That's what makes this course so powerful and unique. It's not narrow and it's not a shortcut. It dives deep into the essentials of what makes for a happy life. These essentials are self-awareness, habit building, and philosophy. Self-awareness helps you know yourself and what you want. Habit building helps you achieve what you want. And knowing philosophy helps you understand and protect yourself from the harmful ideas in our culture. It also provides you with healthy ideas to live a flourishing life. Let me explain each one of these. Self-awareness is the art of knowing who you are, what you want, what you feel, and why you feel it. It's something that no one teaches anymore, which is one of the reasons why so many of us feel out of control. Either our emotions dominate us or we feel nothing at all. Either way, without self-awareness, we end up being completely alienated from ourselves. This skill is essential to creating a healthy life because it allows you to unrepress buried emotions, to handle emotions in a healthy way, and to face your deepest insecurities without fear. By the end of the course, you'll know yourself, and because of that, you'll be in control. The second essential is learning how to build healthy habits. Changing a habit can seem extremely difficult, and changing our lives even more so. We can even resign ourselves to the idea that change is impossible. But when you come to understand the science of habit building, you can start to see how you can change something as big as your whole life. To help you do this, we don't only utilize worksheets and exercises, but we help you understand why you have habits in the first place, which means diving into how the subconscious works and how you can make it work for you. We don't just give you some tips, we want to give you a fundamental understanding of how you work. It's through that understanding that you'll find yourself on a path toward building habits integrated with what you truly want out of life, your deepest passions. I also want to mention that we give strategies for friendship and relationships, including how to navigate the insane world of dating and how to deal with rejection. And finally, we get to arguably the most essential part of the course, the section that answers the question, why are we dealing with all these problems in the first place? This is the philosophy section. The reason we have these issues is because of our culture's philosophic ideas. They've been crafted to create the anxiety we have, the depression we suffer, and our sense of purposelessness. Our teachers, parents, or the friends we spend time with, the media, the movies, and the TV shows we watch, the books we read, everything and everyone around us is giving us a view of what life is about, and it's a destructive view. Since you were young, you've been raised on these destructive ideas, and it's those ideas that have led you to where you are now. To give just one example, I'm sure you've heard of the feminist idea of toxic masculinity. What effect does this have on you as a man? Guilt and shame. Anytime you take care of your body, assert yourself, open the door for a woman, or even explain something to one, you're made to feel ashamed, not just for doing something wrong, but for your identity being wrong. We've lost any sense of confidence or certainty about who we are and what we should do because we're in constant fear of being condemned as a toxic man by those around us. And our loss of confidence is the true purpose of the concept toxic masculinity. And this is just one idea in our culture. Our course not only discusses feminism, but also goes deep into all of the philosophic ideas at work in our culture and how they work to keep you miserable. But not only do we dive deep into what's created your problems, we also go into how to recover from them. Our course is built on a foundation of healthy philosophic ideas, ideas that support core confidence, growth, and happiness. The whole course is built to help you achieve a happy life here on Earth. With these 3 essential tools under your belt, you'll have control over your life and the confidence you need to live it. In addition to all of this, we have a community that you'll gain infinite access to. It's a community of men just like you who are all building their core confidence. Having this support system is not only important for self-improvement, but it also gives us something we're all looking for: friendship. By signing up for the course, you'll be joining this community of friends forever. You only have one life, and our culture is draining it away. No one else is offering the kind of transformation this course can give you. It's not just some psychological tricks, or tips on how to work out, or how to become an entrepreneur. It's about getting you in touch with yourself, and giving you the tools you need to know who you are, what you want, and what to do about it. You'll see being a man as natural rather than an abomination. Learn to appreciate your body rather than laugh at it. You'll feel that you have control over your life rather than determined by circumstance. You'll gain the confidence to be passionate rather than being afraid of making a mistake. I truly believe that this course can change your life. Why waste another day? Build your core confidence and take control of your happiness. Check us out on our website, coreconfidenceformen.com. We're offering the first course live starting January 31st. We're offering a huge discount for the live edition. I hope to see you there.